Howdy, howdy, hey, how are you doing today? I'm the MoonFrog, and this one we're finally back in the shop, and now it's time to get our new steering rack in. Right, so that steering rack actually came in a couple weeks ago, and I just kind of slapped it in there and almost forgot about it. We got sidetracked while unboxing this, but enough talking. Let's go back a couple weeks when the steering rack came in, and let's unbox it.
Ho ho ho. Can you guys smell that? Smells like shit. But that box, that smells like an unboxing video. So let's get right into it. Shoot. Delivery boy. Oh, I got it. There we have it.
Pretty good welds. There we go. We're not gonna need this anymore. Alright, let's figure out how to mount this now. Alright, so now that we have the old one out of the way, there's going to be some cleaning up to do, but I'm going to take advantage of this moment to go back and finish up the frame. I've been patching this frame up. So from sitting in the mud from where we pulled it out, it started to rot away. And I'm honestly surprised that it took the weight of the big block for the test fitting. So I've been spending some time cutting some plate, welding some plate, and tying it all in together again. And hopefully it'll be strong enough. I'm not actually going to show you the welds and stuff because, I mean, it's rust. Let's get this out of the way first. Down here. So we got a plate from all the way to the front to the tube, and all the top is done, all the side, still working on back there, and then up front here we got all this boxed up, all back there, and then we got the outsides as well, on this side too. And yeah, she was in rough shape. But we're bringing her back around with some more rust. Hopefully the rust that we're putting on is going to last a bit longer than the Korean rust we took off. So while you guys watch the time lapse of what I've done so far, well, I'm just going to jump right back into it and try to get some more plates welded back there. And yeah. obviously the cameras died when I was filming last time, and that was a couple weeks ago. But now let's go see if we can get that Mustang steering rack fitted and mounted into our accent. You know, now I think I have to put the engine back in. Just so I know that it fits beside the filter and everything. And
progress.
I'm gonna go eat supper and then I'll come drop that engine back in. Once again for like 1,000th time. So the camera kept dying on me, but we got the steering rack mounted, and now it has one more Ford part on a Hyundai powered by a Chevy. What do you think about that? With that being said, I'm pretty well done for today, and while all that's tacked up, we're gonna come back tomorrow and hopefully finish weld it, make it strong and sturdy, and then we can give it a spin to see if the wheels actually turn the right way this time. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back in a couple seconds. Let's get that engine back up. All right, well, we have our steering pretty well completed, and well, that's gonna be it for this episode. This was the third time designing the steering, and hopefully this time will be the right time. So if this is all perfect, you can expect in the next episode that we start plopping the engine in there and hopefully mounting it for good. So building some custom engine mounts, a tranny cross member, and or rather a transmission cross member and transmission mount, And yeah, hopefully we can keep moving at this pace and get this car moving and running by this summer. And if you're here watching to follow the build, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.